There we go. We're back again. For some reason, it does it every morning. The past couple of days, I'm about to reset this entire computer very, very soon. Delete everything on it. But everyone's coming in slowly again. So let's see. Yo, let me send you an invite real quick, Koala. Back Maria. You know, took some time. But overall, we're already analyzing the charts a little bit from the days before. You can see on GU, just talked about that. GJ, I mean, we had, let's see, this daily breakout of the zone when we were talking about on the weekly time frame. That's where we were when the PC crashed. We can see that we pretty much had this trend going down. We had pushes of momentum going up. We had a stop over here, higher high, higher low, and then we slowly started moving down with these lower lows, lower highs, as we can see. So once price broke out, pretty much broke these highs, we can see that we pushed out, pushed away, made a new higher high. See, we went to 58, 58, 58.2, 58.2, around that. And now we just came back to retest this area. So if this candle decides to close bullish on the weekly time frame tomorrow, yeah, obviously we're going to see if we can get some buys in somewhere over here to continue moving up next week. That would be ideal situation. I think that's going to be pretty good if that happens, because we get that 58 level right there. On the daily time frame, you could also say we're in the bearish trend right now, and we broke it. It means that we might be retesting this area. The way this candle retested this zone, though, means that we could possibly still retest these lows. So let's see what happens. It did create a break of structure. This was a break of structure over here, and it's retesting now over here. So let's see if there's going to continue up to this high, or we're going to get a reaction from this level again to move further down. But I am expecting this weekly to close bullish, and after that I'm expecting maybe one of these levels to be hit to start buying up. Yeah, that's the plan on the longer term, but we have to wait for that. Right now we're looking at the dailies and the 4 hours to see if we can get early entries and smaller moves around 50 pips to 100 pips or whatever. We can see we also retested this zone twice over here, the 17th, pushed up again and then continued moving down. That was from off from yesterday, so the people that were selling somewhere over here in this area, they got tapped out by the second retest, and then they started continuing moving further down. I can understand some people were looking for buys after, because you can see we had pretty much a retest over here. If we go in the 1 hour time frame, you could possibly say like, hey, we pushed up in this small uptrend, and we broke these highs and retested, but this was just a retest on the higher time frame level to continue moving down. So this little time frame is not going to tell you where the daily is going to go, especially when it's closing bearish. And there's a retest level over here, and on the 4 hour time frame where there's also a retest level. So these are all smaller time frames. Short term they might work out, as it did. You can see short term, the break at the high, it went back up for around a good 35, 40 pips. But overall, there was a bearish bias yesterday. And for some people, that's not easy to cope with because price is moving up. You can see the momentum is going downward. That's what you got to ask yourself. The question like, hey, are we in a bullish trend or are we in a bearish trend? Right now, after this break, you could say we turned bullish, but you can see the momentum is not there. Like, you know what I call momentum? What I call momentum, where I want to see price move, right here. Momentum. This should have been a move up if it wanted to go bullish so badly already. Right? You can see drop. Very fast drop. Very fast drop. So you can see a small move going up pretty fast. This move was also up pretty fast, but the move down was bigger. You can see the way this is moving. Some ugly bullshit going up, 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 up. And now reject away. And you can see the drop already. That calculating the time it took for that to drop. Instead of the time it took for that to go up, it was a lot faster, right? So, not a lot faster, but it was a little bit faster, which concludes that that we can see that bearish momentum is inside the market. You can see the same thing happening over here, right? Bearish momentum starts kicking in from these areas over here. Fast move going down, really slow move going up. Fast move going down, really slow move going up. Fast move going down, really slow move going up. Fast move going down, really slow move going up. Fast move going down, right? So that's what you have to be careful for in these situations. Right now, gold, I was looking for sells on gold. Didn't really tap my level again. I did tap the level here in Asian session. I wish I was awake, but I wasn't. Hopefully gonna get another tap, maybe even break up the high to get people into buys and then drop the thing. Now, we were talking about this just before we started to YouTube stream on with just the community itself, is that we can see here Frankfurt Open is closing pretty low. So what they did is they pushed the price up. Just before this was happening, we were talking about this. Push the price up for what? To get London Open to close high. And what happens if London Open close high? We're going to get a fake out to the top side. But continuously moving down. You can see we already broke the highs over here. So people were looking for buys, getting into buys. Instead of trying to sell the price when pretty much prices are going to show you a nice level to sell away from. Now, for me, there was not enough confirmation, otherwise I would have been in. I just want to see it go up a little bit higher and then start falling slowly. So let's see. See what happens. Overall, the reason why this move tapped away from this area is then you have to go back into detail. And I'll let you guys do that yourself and show me what you found. Jay, can you help me? I need to know what time London Open in my time, like GMT. Turn on the camera real quick. So, people talking about certain opens and certain closes. Pretty much 24 minutes ago we had London Open. An hour before that we had Frankfurt Open. Is your analysis on gold still valid if the momentum's up, slowed down? Yes. While they're trying to play some games and that. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking for. Let's see.
Yeah, man. Good morning.
Good morning, man. How you doing?
I'm alright. No coffee.
Nothing?
Nope.
Gee.
Got to get some.
Gee. You always drink coffee in the morning or not?
Yeah.
Can't properly function without coffee or?
I can. It's just I like a cup of coffee at times.
Nice. I barely drink coffee, man. Barely. Especially when we started, you know, go above this open candle of this bearish 4 hour. It's definitely people are starting to look for buys. Candles are closing above. 1 hour is closing above this resistance. People really want to get in buys when that happens. Yeah, you're gonna get a couple pips, 100%, but maybe not. Yeah, maybe not the big move.
What happened to Michelle's channel? I don't know. Or ask her.
Bro, I sometimes get questions of where is he, where is she, and I'm like, bro, how the fuck do I know?
Yeah, like ask the person,
Yeah,
not
not
not the
me.
person's friend.
Bro, I'm not tracking someone on GPS or something.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck. I don't know what people do in their lives. Do my own shit. Yeah, let's see overall. Happen. Oh, Guala, we don't have to swear. Bro.
I always swear, bro. It's nothing personal. It's
Nope.
just me.
Same here. Where you guys from? I'm from the Netherlands.
I'm from Turkey.
Land?
Come up, listen.
Happy.
I'm not
Shiba
loose.
Inu to the moon. Shiba Inu to the moon. I don't know about that situation. People
I took my
love
Shiba
drama.
out
Yeah,
and profit. I don't even want no parts of you no more.
I ain't gonna play around.
How'd they bet?
Selik, that's the best
Yeah,
Turkish second name we find in the chat.
ne yapıyorsun
Nice one.
lan? Ne yapıyorsun abi?
Abi, siktir lan.
Oh my
It's a
god.
delicate situation. I wish my life was as perfect as your hair, Luke. No, thank you. You got eyes on GJ? Oh, we're all doing our own thing. Maybe he comes by maybe next week or something. Ask him. Sometimes he just jumps in. Like, people have their own lives as well. I think. Someone really thinks Shiba is going to the moon. They deserve to lose their money. Gee, that's a hard one, man. Yeah, I don't have any Shiba. I sold my Shiba as well. Like, mad. I ain't gonna stay in that. Definitely not. But Polkadot has to start rising now as well because this shit's at the wrong spot. But it's just a
About
pullback, I
to
understand.
buy some Solano here real soon.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good coin. It's like 212 a coin right now.
Yep.
It's okay. Bruh, imagine buying that at like $1. Okay, no.
Yeah, but I feel like if you look, that's how Ethereum started and stuff too, bro.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
always used to just look at it and be like, okay, well, it's too high, right? And then if you look at Ethereum now,
Yeah,
it's like 4 grand.
4,000. Yeah.
So if you just buy like one Solano, two, three Solanos over the time period,
At the
like
same
over a
with
year,
Polkadot.
4, 5, 6 of them, and it rises to like 4K, like they say, like, cause there's rumors that it's better than Ethereum, but
Yeah, but yeah, it's the same
can't
with a
speak
couple
on that.
other
I don't know
things.
nothing
Yeah.
about crypto. I just follow the waves,
I see people say the
invest my
same thing
money.
about Polkadot, that it's better than Ethereum, but
Yeah.
I mean, there's some things that you do see though, like it can be better in crypto, but it doesn't mean it's gonna be worth more.
Exactly. Gold looks like it wants to come down.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at as well. I'm just looking at one bigger retest higher up to 70s, 70.50 around that, and then the pin bar, and I'm gonna get in. $10, man. Yeah, I already got a $10. $10 is going up, by the way. Okay, now. Let me see. Yeah, $10 is flying. Already made like fucking how much percent? I don't even know. It's already just up 19% from today. Mad. And I don't know how much it is now per coin, but already made good percentage on that. I think if we go to Sandbox, let's go to Sandbox. Sand. I think I bought like somewhere over here, like it was a little earlier. I think it was somewhere in this area. We're in this push. Yeah. Yeah. Look how fucking high that went up already if you calculate this only from.
Is that
bro.
all-time highs?
Yeah, bro. But I'm already like, I think it's like 40% maybe or whatever. I'm up right now. I don't know the exact entry, but it's fucking big time.
You told me about this.
Yeah, there's this guy, TzRzetHz, he's talking about it as well. He got it when it was $2 and yeah, bro. I got a little bit higher. I don't know exactly where I got in, but I had a good entry on that as well. Fucking flying now. I didn't even put that much money in it, but gonna hold this for a long time. Hopefully it can go to 20, 30, 40, $50 coin. Would be good. Just like a Solana.
If I could get like one of those nice pullbacks on Solano, I think I'm like a pullback to like 150. See, like it's
Full margin it, man.
yeah, not full margin. You got to, like, to the weekly or something.
Yeah.
Because cryptos, I like to look at it on the weekly perspectives. Yeah, see, yeah, that's the area that I'm looking to rebuy again. It's gonna come back.
They got one support over here.
150 area, yeah, right there in those areas. And if it goes further down, then
45, 48. Let me buy over here. I'm fine with that.
It has to come back.
You got the support over here. You can see it's pretty strong support, previous resistance. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, everything that goes up has to come back now one time. Like.
That's why I'm not even.
This
tripping.
is also a nice level at 48, 47. I don't know if it's ever going to come back to that, but you can see it already did retest this level though. Made a higher high, retest continuation.
Yep. I'm just waiting to snatch that one up real bad and hold it for a long time.
Yep.
At least 3-4 years.
I got the same with Polkadot. Like, I'm gonna hold Polkadot for a couple years. Like, just gonna hold it, see what happens. You know, do a couple $100 in it. How much you want to put in it, and just forget about it. Oh, I think Chris got it lower. I think Chris said he got like under $2 or something. Fuck, you know. Why? Darren, what you doing, mate? My God.
It's just when everything started crashing around about May, I thought, sod it, let's just take the money out of it. $20 was a nice price.
No. No. How much do you have?
About $1,000 worth, I think.
Holy shit. That would have been 10 times, fam.
I know, man. I know.
Oh shit.
I bought, but look at my Ethereum
Yeah.
and everything, you know.
He had that 17 entry or something, right? Where did he get? Where did he enter?
I bought it, I didn't, so around about June, July. June. Yeah, June.
Damn, boy. What are you doing? What did you do? Why'd you sell? You don't sell. You hold. Diamond
Yeah,
hands,
bro.
boy.
Because it wasn't doing anything.
Yeah, you're fucked. You're
Sorry,
sad
June.
now.
No, I didn't buy it in June. I bought it.
The percentage.
I bought it before May the
You're
20th.
sad now, huh?
See, there was a.
I know the feeling, bro.
I made money on it. I didn't just make. I could have made a lot more. But yeah, if you
Could have
look
with the
around
shoot
May,
Could have with the shoot
around May the 20th, something like that, it really started going boom down, tanking like, and I thought that. Because they had quite a big crypto.
Right here, big ass fake on my birthday.
Yeah.
No joke. It's like, it's like they're calling me up. It's like, you want to fake it out? Shit, thing, it's your birthday, boy. Dude, dump it.
That's how it was at Ripple, bro. I bought Ripple at 10 cents.
Yeah, shit.
$6 grand worth of it, and I sold it.
My God.
All.
So I got a friend, and he reckons he's got £750,000 worth of XRP. Imagine the swings on that, though. The size of the swings on that.
He's waiting for them to win that court case. Huh?
Yeah.
Bro, imagine if they lose. You see the same with fucking Squid Coin.
He's gonna disappear if they win that court case, bro.
They're gonna be fucking rich.
That court case got me out of there. I was like, nope, that's too much money.
I had the same thing, bro. I had the same thing.
There, bro.
I was in high. Like I gotta be honest, I was in high. I bought lower once before, around like 22 cents. Sold it. Then I bought again at like 53 cents or 58 cents between those, and started buying again. And then it went up to 63, and I just didn't trust it, and I sold it again. It was like at this pullback over here, right? We had this pullback coming. Oh no, it was before. No, it was before. It was somewhere here, I think. Somewhere over here. I started buying again, and I was like, yeah, this drop over here. I started looking. First buys, closed them out. Second buys, closed them out, and shit started flying after. But over here, I would have only tripled my money a couple times.
XRP went to the 50 cents, and I still had these positions at 6 cents, bro. And just lost it all. Well, not lost it all. I took my initial investment out, but lost all my profits.
Look at that retest 5 on the Dolphin. If you look 1 minute time frame, there's definitely a break of structure. Consolidation, retest, continuation. Man, I wish it just went a little higher. There was a confirmation on the 5 minute time frame, but not the nicest in it. This one right here would have been in around 10, 11 pip around, it stops above this area. Maybe, or stops just above the 15-minute high if it closed. Continuation down. Didn't go down that far anyways. Might be retesting this area to the left to continue moving up. One more time, retest it, and then go down. Gold seems to be creating a nice London pullback. Yes, and that's as expected, right? If you were already in the call with the community from before, you can see that after that Frankfurt Open, we started pushing up, 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 up. Why would they close or open London over here, right? Not to start buying. That's stupid. They want to be opening London over here, fake you out, and then start buying. Oh my god. See that?
Boom.
Gold.
Yeah, bro. Wish I was in that 10 pip drop in like second.
Way on down.
So then you gotta ask yourself, like, hey, if they're gonna push that price up so high, where are those London guys are gonna go in, right? Where are they gonna get in? So they're not gonna buy over here. That's stupid. That's the dumbest thing you can possibly tell them. So they push the price up on the whatever higher time frames, get people into buys after the break, and now it's just dumping on and on and on. That's why my bias was bearish instead of bullish, even though price is looking like it's trying to go up. But hopefully it can go up one more time to 70, 71, and I'll try it again. See what happens. But that was a nice drop. Joe.
Check your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whee! Bro.
Fuck that, bro.
Yeah, bro, I was looking at it. I was like, this engulfment candle over here, they had the pin bar engulfment. I was like, yeah, I could take it, but there was no bottom wick on this one, right? And I saw this pin bar form, I was like, could have taken it on this open right here. That was something I was really thinking about, but I was like, maybe like wait a little longer to 70, 71. 70 or 71 and then take it, but it then decided to do it and just dropped. But overall, the bias was correct. Next time we're going to see how we could catch the move anyways. My days. Yeah, that's a nice one, Gola.
Yeah. Oh, Tom.
Yeah, now tomorrow, like yesterday, is not able to talk anymore, innit?
Oh, fuck that. I'm done. After tomorrow, I'm. Yesterday hit me. But
Sometimes it happens, right?
TP's about to get hit.
Yeah, man.
10
50
pips away.
Yeah, bro. I wish I got in this one, but overall, I didn't like directly see what I wanted to see. So it's okay. It's okay to miss out trades. It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's better than chasing them.
Yeah, if you're gonna chase.
Yesterday was an
Yeah.
emotional roller coaster.
Yeah, I don't want to be in that anymore.
Facts.
So just really wait on like what I want to see, and then especially on good confirmation. And if I get good confirmation, then I take it. And then I know if I wait for a good confirmation and I get clapped, I can understand. You know, I got clapped for a reason. If I get in without confirmation and just doing some dodgy ass shit, then there's a very high chance I'm gonna get clapped, which is my own fault. Well, both are my own fault, but less my own fault. And there's the reasoning behind it why you took it instead of just trying to take it. Trying to predict where the price is going, just have to react. This was a reaction candle over here, like 100% you could have reacted. It was exactly at the line. This line was here before. You can see how it respected that line very nicely at 68, right? That was something we were looking at before, but I was just expecting it to tap one more time into this area, which it didn't. And if it doesn't, it is what it is. Like, can't do much more about it. Don't worry about it. You missed out. So be it. Then you're gonna come back tomorrow and see if you can take it again. If you miss it again, then you're gonna look again. Like, how could I have taken the same move?
Yeah.
What we could possibly say on this one is that we had this zone over here, and a newer zone created where the actual drop was from again, where the engulfment was from. So this could possibly be that push down, retest of this area over here, this candle over here where it engulfed and pushed further down. See, we respected the high on this one as well, tapped in and then continued down. Same situation as on this one, right? Same situation on the 30-minute time frame as on this one. The candle rejecting away. Now in the 15-minute time frame on this one, it wasn't really fully rejecting, but it did get fully engulfed. And you can see push down, push down, push down, push down, push down, up, 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 retest. Here, engulfment. 15, boom, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down, and retest. So, but let's see what happens. The waiting game. Don't try to run after it. That's the thing what I don't like about some strategies other people are using. They were just running after the price the entire day. They run, 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 run. They see the price going up. Oh, let me buy right now. See the price going out. Let me sell right now. Right? Hey, Luke. Hello, Luke. Literally, Luke saying hello to Luke. The crypto that made me money is Ethereum. I bought Ethereum at $10 and I have 5 left. Sold 2 when it hit 3,000. Oh shit, Jackson. You made some bank on that one. Congratulations. You got 5 left. Shit, man's leaving big runners. He's like, I ain't gonna close 50%. We need some more.
I just closed the full gold.
Nice.
Fully.
Don't trust it?
I just don't. I just need to take my money today.
Okay, about
Can't
yesterday.
let it run.
Yeah.
I got 45. It didn't even tap to 50. I'm straight with that.
I did, yeah. Just watch and learn, listen. The 1 minute or M3 created a little trend, broke. That's going down after that. Yeah, I don't know. GJ is up if the price action not. I don't know what some people. Not looking good at all. Yeah, let's take a look at it. You could possibly say there's a retest at that area, but let's see. See the pin bar away from this zone again. That's why you leave your zones. You just leave your zones and see what happens. Leave your zones, and if they still work, then continue with them. Search for new ones and continue with them again. Yeah, now you got a situation. Yeah, go ahead.
I think there should be ultimate pullbacks to 1856. Those are beautiful pullbacks that buy back up.
Yeah.
But I'm done for the day. I'm about to go get on the game.
Gee, boy.
That was quick. I got on the charts at 8 a.m. Well, nah, 8:30.
Yeah.
And I'm done.
That's it. Trading about. Create time. You see how ugly this range is. You can see we have resistance, broke out, resistance again, support, resistance, support, broke out, support, and then back again, support, and it's ugly. Not finna touch it today, probably. Really like it. Gold though, that was some nice sells. Very, very nice.
It's probably about to dip way lower, but
Yeah.
I just can't risk it just shooting back up in my face like it did yesterday.
Yesterday really finessed people.
All day, bro. Insane.
GJ is very profitable, but also takes your money quick. Well, I think gold is the more worse, yeah, version of that.
Gold's a demon, bro.
Yeah, gold is. I mean, GJ is a hope, but gold.
Gold's a toxic demon.
For real, for real. No, but yesterday was bad. Yesterday was bad.
For me, for you, everything went well, man.
GJ, hella nice sells.
Yeah. Are you still in those?
Mm-mm. No, got tapped out. But did continue. As you can see, we were selling over here. I was selling over here. And then this one went back up, retest, and then it continued down. But if I would have stayed in, my entry was right here. We hit like 80, 83 pips. I hit myself around 50. And I got tapped out. But I took profit over here as well. So I took my first profit at 21 pips. So pretty much right here, just above this area where this wick was. 22, 21 pips. Took my first profit, put stops at break even. And then left the rest running further down. That's it.
Yeah.
But that gold entry from a couple days ago, that was mad.
I had that entry as well. I just closed it.
Yeah.
I had a sick ass entry, literally at that wake up there somewhere.
I didn't have this one. I had this one. And I went all the way down to 40, 41. I entered, I think it was 68.4 or something. 68.3, 68.4, all the way up here. Go to 1 hour time frame. 5 minute, I think it was. Yeah, so when this candle started flipping, or 66, I think it was, 66.3, 66.3. This candle went up, flipped at this area, got in, shit just started dumping. Like 250 pips.
Oh yeah.
And after that, it went up, nearly tapped me out, and then it went down again, and then it tapped me out. Oh man, I wish I catch that gold one. Did saw it coming. You coming? Yeah, it is what it is.
I didn't. You know, I saw what I always see: rejection.
Yep.
Then it gives you that one fake ass candle that is gonna go back up, and then it formed that hanging man candle.
Yeah.
And I entered right when it opened. Right when the next candle opened. Now it's juggling at this daily resistance. It doesn't want to break it to the downside, it looks like. We'll see. I'm done anyway. I closed.
So you're looking at this one, right?
Yeah, that's where I entered, right when that one opened.
I'm always a little skeptical about that one. I don't know why yet, but I need to maybe go look at a little bit deeper in that one. I always find it more like, oh, it's like a bullish pin bar because it's rejecting this zone over here. But this was just a fake out, then pretty much.
Yeah.
Because it closed above this area and then dumped after.
Cause that's like your first lower high sort of sit on the 5 minute. That's like one of the
so you
setups I
say,
always catch.
oh, you say like for yourself, like, okay, this is the high, lower low, lower high, and then
No.
this.
I can't annotate. I don't know how to annotate on this new thing, but this that left one is the high. Up, left. That's the high. And
Lower
that's
low,
the
lower high.
no, that's the lower. That's the higher low, and then that's your first lower high, and now it's your lower low on the lower time frames.
Ah, okay, yeah.
If you scroll a little bit to the left, it did the same thing on the 5 minute. Give me a second. Right there when it dropped to the left, to the left, to the left. See how it came up?
Yeah.
For that first leg.
Damn.
To the left a little bit more. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Right there, yeah. See how it went up right there? Create that high, drop, made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then it dropped.
Damn.
Yeah, just always look for that first lower high. You could have.
You could possibly say that this is a retest of this engulfment over here, which is also a 1 minute previous support retest continuation.
Yeah, I don't look at the 1 minute, but yeah, that makes sense too. I don't understand why I didn't wait for those things yesterday. Look like GJ wants to go up.
Looks like we're on G on a retest area. Price to continue moving down to this retest area over here and then start buying back up maybe. Let's see. It's starting to look ugly though. Engulfment. Wait a minute. Fake out.
If you look on GJ right now on the 5 minute, it's like that perfect example of what I just explained on the on that hanging man candle.
So you got the high.
That. No, I got just that candle.
Oh, just
see
this
those candles.
Yeah.
See, look. If you go left a little bit, there's one right there as well. Right there. Well, I can't annotate, so it's kind of hard to explain.
Yeah. It's weird. You should be able to. Maybe
it doesn't show me the.
Let me go into settings.
Remote control. Wait, you're about to request remote control.
Enable annotation for others.
No.
It was already on. That's the weird thing.
No, I don't know. It's this new update on Zoom. I don't know. Kind of weird.
Can you do Control Alt Shift H at the same time?
Control Alt
Shift H.
H. But that happens. This new update's kind of fucked, bro. Honestly, I don't like it.
Stian Franken sending a chart. Let's take a look. Take a look. I'm struggling a lot with really months now. My strat plan is to start looking at coin pairs and higher time frame. Okay. I'm trading GD and gold in the break even months. I'm looking to only take. Possibly, but then your target should also be bigger.
Yeah, that risk reward is fucked.
Yeah, that's fucked up. Your target
It's like the same risk as your reward.
yeah, that's not smart. You need to get like at least 1 to 3.
Or
1
1
to
to 2 is good too.
It's good as well. At least. Why didn't you put your target over here already? Like, what's the pair? USD switch rank. CHF, I think it is.
Oh, look at gold. Ah, I got him. I knew it. It's engulfing. No. You don't take my money today.
So, let's take a look, my friend. Looking at on the 4-hour candle. Yeah. Look. It's a delicate situation in this one, to be fair with you. Let's analyze this pair from bottom top, because we have previous lines sitting right here. That's funny as fuck that it tapped that line on point. Boy. With some analysis over here. that's why you leave your analysis. You can also see like, hey, my ship is on point. You can see, right? So as we can see, we are coming down in the monthly time frame. Overall bias for the monthly. Previous monthly closed bearish. It did break out this area, but it closed bearish. We already made a bottom wick, broke the low, and pushed back up. Now we're ejecting away from that resistance again. Let's go to the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, we can see we did break structure to the down, like to the upside. So we had this lower low, broke out, retested this area to the left, and continuation again. Retest of this area where the break of structure was again, and then some ugly consolidation with some sort of ugly as retest over here on the weekly time frame. So let's see daily time frame. We have a couple of zones where price is playing in. We have zone number 1, zone from here to here. We got zone number 2, zone number 3, and a zone number 4 pretty much in this area over here, and another zone over here. That doesn't matter right now. What I would say possibly is that getting into buys is not maybe the smartest thing to do. I do not think that's the smartest thing to do. We have a bearish candle daily closure from yesterday. It did not close above this area over here, this line right here, and it sort of retested some area over here for price maybe to continue moving down to this area over here. So you can see we had this higher high, higher low, and this one failed to make a new higher high. So there's a chance that we're first going to come back to 0.91570 before we're going to continue moving further up, if it wants to even continue moving further up. So to this area over here where the breakout was. Right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and look a little bit deeper into what's going on. Now right now, as we can see, we had a downtrend, a very strong uptrend, which makes sense that we have some strong bullish momentum because all the other time frames were slowly going up. But overall, there was momentum in this up move. But as you can see, we just had a previous 4-hour candle printing bullish, where this one already broke the high and engulfed it to the downside, breaking the low as well. Now we don't know if there was maybe any news or whatever, CHF news, and as we can see, there was some news, right? So that maybe made price break higher or lower, right? So let's go a little deeper into what's going on more. We can say that, hey, right now this was the most recent break of structure, right? There was a break of structure over here as well. We already had one retest. You can see resistance, resistance, support, resistance, rejection. So yeah, it made sense to pull away from that area pretty quickly. There were maybe a possible entry over there, but we don't really know. We don't really care because it already happened. But now I think what's better to do is just wait, because we had this box right here of some consolidation. We did have some levels over here that got retested, but you can see it's disrespecting. It's not respecting those levels, right? So what I would personally say is like, hey, let it go up and then start looking for sells somewhere in this area, and then take the price down to levels like 91,570. That's what I would personally be doing, instead of trying to force buy to happen, the break of like to break all the way up to the high. Yeah, there is a situation where it could possibly happen, but if this 4-hour candle closes below, there is a very high chance that we're going to get a pullback to this area and continue moving down. Because you got to understand, one thing you got to understand, right, is that we did break this structure over here. We had support formed, and it's pretty much what Guala was saying on the 5-minute again. That push down with this on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, you had that bullish momentum up from here, but overall we just didn't make a new higher high. Like, didn't. Otherwise we should have gone above this area over here. So for me, I would be bearish. I would just be waiting for a retest at this area over here to start selling down all the way to here. But that's my view. Would be the target. And then you got a way better risk reward, because then you can possibly get an entry somewhere here on the pin bar, and then maybe get a 10-20 pip stop, 10, 20 pip stop, maybe even a little lower, maybe going with a average stop of maybe 10 pips around that, and then your target is going to be all the way over here from this area. Let's say you get the bottom of this area and you put stops over here at around 13, 14 pip stops, just normal. And get that price to come down. It could also come up to this level, but then you have to wait for a confirmation and then start selling. And I'm not like saying it's gonna go down, you know, it could possibly go up as well. Like, this is just my view on it. I don't trade this pair, so I don't know the characteristics behind this pair. It could also be setting up for a huge bullish run that we don't know. But overall, what I'm seeing and analyzing myself on this pair is that we did not create a new higher high, and over here we also got pretty much a high sitting here. We got a high sitting here, we got a high sitting here, we got a high sitting here, and as you can see, price is just going down. But if we disrespected this and came back retest, yes, then I would be probably looking for some buys. But overall, maybe some sells would be a nice play soon. Just wait for a retest. We've got a lot of things in the chat. Pablo, use the stop loss 1 to 2% of your account and don't move it. You will start to learn how it moves. Build confidence in your trading. Pick a session and take 1 to 2 entries a day, growing slowly like a tree. Yes. This stream will help you to guide you as you go, and I think Luke has a group where you can get support. Yes, that's correct. It will be worth it. We all need to work on different areas of our trading. Just keep it going. Yeah, even me. Everyone, like even the bigger guys. I'm not far from a bigger guy. Far away, like not even close. Just take it easy. Some days are no trade days. Some will see the chart differently, but just trade. You recognize and you're comfortable. Yeah, that's 100% correct. 100% correct. Like, I've not made any executions today. Like, reading. If I don't get any execution, it is what it is. Right? Give a fuck. Yeah, but that's like, you gotta understand it the hard way. Sometimes people don't understand it, but not taking a trade is not. It's not a problem. It's not like the world is falling apart or something if you don't have a trade. You only need 4 really good trades a month. Yeah, if you're a good risk reward, agree with that. But you, like, don't need anything.
I'm about to get off. I'm done. If I stay on the markets, they're gonna entice me to do a lot of things that I don't want to do right now.
Yeah.
Probably tomorrow. All right, bro.
Peace out, man.
I'll catch you tomorrow.
Sure thing. See Darren Spencer in the chat saying, joining Luke's community has catapulted my trading results and knowledge. Thank you, Luke. No worries, man. Appreciate you as well. Your analyze is top notch. Can you analyze gold? Yeah, we're just waiting now for price to come back up to this area to start selling again. That's it. Analyzes on gold. All these lines are all based upon 4-hour daily zones. What really changed my technical analysis for the past couple of months, or at least past couple of weeks already, is that higher time frames are just king. Daily, weekly, 4-hour, anything on that, and then just lower time frame execution. That's the only thing you have to wait for. If you have the correct analysis on the higher time frames, Gucci, you're fine. But I prefer this 4-hour now to also close bearish before I'm gonna do something else. Probably. It's not really allowed to close bullish. If it closes bullish, see what happens after. I would see, like, if it wants to continue bullish, then I would rather wait for 56, what Koala was saying, for a buy up. That was a very good point out of him. You can see that again on the 4-hour time frame. Straight facts, Darren. Straight facts. Everybody read that. Read that one. Can you please check USDJPY? Sure. But do be careful with that pair. Understand that both of the markets are closed at the moment. Well, you're open to trade it, but let's take a look with a fake out to the top side on the 4-hour time frame. And let's go start from the monthly time frame from here. We did have some consolidation coming together, and then price started pushing up. We're approaching some zone on this monthly time frame, but we already closed above this area. We have previous support resistance over here where we got rejection formed. But overall, monthly time frame, we're going up. We have a very strong bullish candle formed, faked out to the downside and started pushing up. So let's see on the weekly time frame now. You can see there are some resistances, there are some rejections, and we're rejecting off the same level. Maybe you can even see over here, if you go start looking a little deeper into it, you can see resistance, support, push through, push away, fake out, resistance, 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 resistance. So if we put a line right here, you can see that we have created a resistance right there on that level as well. And if we adjust it to what's happening right now, got that same resistance formed. So right now at resistance, you can see the way this weekly candle is pushing away from this resistance as well after pushing into it. So let's see what happens. There's a possibility that we could go maybe back to this area to retest to continue moving further up. Overall, there's a daily fake out. Daily fake out, we had resistance formed. We actually had pretty much 2 fake outs. We're going to see on the left side in a minute where this happened, because we have a line from this level. This might be not a fake out, but just a lower time frame retest. Over here, we did have a fake out. Price closed outside and back inside again, which is something concerning. So there is a chance that we're going to see a pullback coming very soon. We're pretty high up as well. So wait, let's go to the 4 hours, see what we can see. Yeah, overall, it looks like we had a pullback over here. We had a break over here, higher high, higher low. The retest on this is not the nicest. It's not looking that good, but it's just consolidating in this range. Breakout, and then we had this fake out happening over here. We have a break of structure over here. I don't know how good the Japanese yen respects break of structures and stuff, but overall, I don't see everything lining up correctly the way I want it to be lining up, like on different pairs. It's a little bit different, and that's the thing with every pair. It's different characteristics. We look for a minute over here to the left side. There a certain reason I had this. Yes, there was. The reason why I had a line over here is because we had previous resistance, previous support, which got respected, and we pushed away from it later on back to the highs. Now the thing is, what we have to understand is that we did break structure here on the top side, especially on the 4 hour time frame. And if this daily closed back inside, there is a chance that we're maybe going to build a resistance somewhere against this level and then continue moving down instead of up. There's a chance that there's continuation up, but you can see how strong this weekly resistance is. So I think because we're up here the first time, we're going to be needing a bigger pullback maybe to this area. Then you're going to get some phenomenal buying entries somewhere over here to continue up towards this level over here. Overall bias is bullish, but for now, maybe bearish to continue moving. Now, overall, we broke again structure here on the 4 hour, so it could retest this level. And maybe if you see rejection form at this level over here, where the engulfment was and where the pretty much the break of structure was, maybe over here in this area, you're going to see a good 30-minute, 15-minute confirmation, and I would possibly start looking for a sell after that. We also have daily resistance sitting right here, so you can possibly put your stops above here. What they could also do sometimes is take you out and then drop. That happens many times as well, so be careful on that. Overall, I do not like the range that this price is in right now. I don't like the way it's moving. It's not clear enough, so I would possibly stay away a little bit. It's ranging right now, as we can see on the 1 hour time frame is already just ranging, but we did have that breakout from the zone, so there's a possible retest over here for price to continue moving further down. What we have to look at. Overall buys, then I would wait for this to break out and then this to retest to continue moving up. But otherwise I would be very careful. You could possibly say like, hey, yeah, but we had a sort of a breakout over here with some rejection. You could possibly buy back up. Could do if on the lower time frames, when I have a short move from here to here. Possibly, especially with this 4 hour candle close like here and we're rejecting this area. If we break up these highs, then there's a chance we're going to do that. But first of all, I would not want to be buying a 4 hour high because in my opinion, that's stupid. But that's what you got to find out yourself. If you see confirmations for sells up in this area, I would possibly sell. If you see confirmations maybe for the retest of this area again, possibly buys back up to this area. But overall, I would be waiting for some phenomenal buys at this area over here to continue moving price further up. But yeah, guys, as you all know, we were just talking about the community. For the people that have not checked it out yet, pulling it up on the screen right now. Once the load. This is the website. So if you guys have not seen it yet, make sure to check it out. You can join the community from here. I don't know, as I said yesterday, how long the intakes will be open for. Maybe at the end of this year, the intakes will be closed and we will be continue on next year with the community that we have. So if you have not tuned in yet, make sure you do, and I'll possibly see you at the other side. We have a lot of sessions that we do privately as well, like yesterday. Yesterday we also had a nice recap session of the past previous days to put things into nice perspective. And way more than that. Webinars, Q&A sessions, everything is happening. So if you have not been on the website yet or seen or looked at joining, then take a look at it. I'm shorting UJ, made a random ass trade, sold at 14,800. Bro, that was savage. That was pretty good though. I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't probably have done it myself, but like I would have waited for this and then retest to continue. But you can see here there was a retest right here, so this would have probably been my confirmation to start selling. But maybe over here you got some rejection as well. This was some sort of a confirmation over here. If the news is good, repeat the June 1st news breaking the bullish trend on gold, but news may not have that kind of impact today. Not today, I think. Next week, what got next week? I think we got the thing next week. Not yet. We got bank holiday next week. We have some USD news over here. FOMC meetings, PC, pound yen holiday over here as well. Asian session. I think, yes, here we go. This is mad thing. December 3rd. What I charge you for community subscription, $62.50 a month. But yeah, overall, that's it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you learned something on all the analysis we did and all the things we were talking about. Gold had a nice move coming down. Just weren't able to catch it. But overall, that's fine. don't worry about it. We're going to come back next day, so tomorrow, Friday, and we're going to see what we can get tomorrow. So make sure to leave a like. We got 55 likes, and we pretty much had 200 people in already. So we at least got to push those rookie-ass numbers up to 100 real quick. So if you haven't not liked yet, make sure you do. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We're nearly going to 50,500 subscribers. So make sure you do. Also turn on that bell notification to get notified when I get on. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Get those likes up, guys. Those are rookie ass numbers. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Peace out.